Hi everybody, my name is Heiner Forster and I'm the owner of Fine Woodwork Germany. Today I should like to tell you something about building a Strongback for the ClassGlobe 5.80. And as you can see, we have a frame with two long beams whose surfaces are absolutely trued off, and connectors. In the corners you see steel angles to hold it all together. And also you can see wedges with which we make sure that the surface of the beams is absolutely at level. We control this by using a laser, this useful little friend, and we find that all bulkheads and all frames who have a marked construction waterline have the same distance at any spot over the whole of the building area. Everywhere. Yeah, thank you for your attention. If you have any more questions, you can contact me through my homepage, finewoodwork.de. Thank you.